Welcome back to the channel, fam. If you're new here, hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Set it to all so you don't miss out on anything. Now let's get into this. This is another snippet of Uthando Nestembu season 9 episode 24.
We're expecting abantu bakamthombeni emathombeni uDuma.
Ukhona ezinye izinto esingakwazi ukumenzela zona uMakhwela.
Is this a sign that things are well all round in Babake's marriages? Now that Makhwela's things are going ahead as she had hoped. Anyway, congratulations to Makhwela and her man. She's just so happy this moment is finally here and we are all happy for her, right? Another thing about Babake is that he's a very emotional man. He cries a lot. So y'all know he was bawling his eyes out.
Usize ngibhekene nalo lukhulu kakhulu.
And y'all, wasn't it Mamake that said just recently that after 20 years of marriage, she doesn't attend Babake's wife's weddings? Yet she's here for Makhwela? Or maybe she showed up for this one because Earthly King ran everything basically by her. And again, Makhwela has been confiding in her about their relationship, so maybe hence why she's here to be supportive to the couple that she murdered. What do you guys think? Anyway, at Mayeni's, she's telling Sarko that every time he takes another wife, he becomes so disrespectful. But the way Babake is happy, he goes on to tell Mayeni that she must relax. He's the one building.
Njalo manje uthatha unkosikazi wena uyadelela.
Awungeni ndawo imini wakho Musa. Lokho.
On this note, let's continue in the comment section. Also remember to subscribe, like, share. Until next time, bye and thank you for watching.
We're expecting abantu bakamthombeni emathombeni uDuma.
Ngithi ngisupport ngiyacela.
Izoze ngisupport ngingenaphi phela mina kuyona yonke leyo nto nabo ukhululu bakhe abangisupport-ayo. Hayi nje ngisupport yami.
Ngicelile ukuthi angipheleze siye lapho ngihambe nabantu bami abayanga abantu bami for whatever reason.
Sonikhathi sokuthi asithethise la emcimbini wena futhi osibizele lapha into engidinayo yokuthi ukhuluma kanje.